Hey guys, raining like hell here. Look at Wyatt. Here's Park. We're showing you the creek. Look at this driveway. Wow. What? Wait a minute. Hold up, bud. Wait a minute. I gotta get you going in. Oh yeah. Dancing in the rain. Yes. Dance in the rain, laugh in the storm. Oh my God, you're going in there?
I can take him down there.
Okay, go. Tell him what he's doing. Oh my God. Show him how deep. Park is video now. I don't like it that way.
Oh.
Get in there. Oh, it's cold. Oh, rafting. Get your thing and go rafting. You know, you're go right down through there. Hurry! Oh my God. Woo! Dancing in the rain! Dancing in the rain! Good job. Okay, I'm going to pause this because he's going to river raft. Okay, he's got this. Get down in there. It'll work. You got to sit on it, straddle it.
Wait, can I see this real quick?
Get back here.
Oh yeah, that'll go.
I'll do it right here.
Oh my God. Creek rapid rafting. Go, Wyatt. My God. Yeah, start right there. You're going to go over those rocks.
Yeah, I know. I want to start right.
All right. There you go. Good job, Park. Oh, now you're going to rock. Woo! Oh, my. Oh, yeah. Get it out of there, Wyatt. Nice. That's what you call ingenuity. All right, guys? Mm-hmm. We are country people. No Xbox for us. We're living it up. Well, we do have Xbox. All right, Wyatt.
It's cold.
Yeah, I know it's cold, buddy. Suck it up.
It was cold in the mud.
Yeah.
Mud videos.
You're going to have to get down in the middle. Straddle it. Oh, it's cold. Oh, for God's sake. It's not going to work there. Go! Oh my God, this is taking forever.
Look.
I don't care. No, sit down on it. I don't think it's gonna go.
I'll do it. Do it through the tunnel.
He's got to do something. Okay,
It ain't gonna go.
well, try, push yourself. You need that round thing. Push yourself.
I want the round thing. I got it. Talk to her.
Just go to the lake and do it.
All right, we're going to pause this. We're going to get the other scoop.